Okay, this is page 40, number 4B. Hold on, microphone problems here. Okay, so page 40, number 4B. This one requires a little bit of different thinking than the previous ones. Check this out. This little circle here and this little circle here are not on the outside of the shape. They are not surface area. If I was to take this thing apart after painting it in this lovely blue color, this square here would look like a square with a hole in it. I have to do some subtracting this time. Same thing with this side. It'd be a slightly bigger rectangle that, again, has a hole in it. So that's what I have to keep in mind as I calculate this one. So beyond that, putting my strategy together, I have squares on the ends here and here. All of these are squares. And then there's 4 rectangles going around this one. So my surface area is, getting it started. Let's start from the left. 4 rectangles that are 1.5 by 2.5. Plus 2 squares that are 1.5 squared. Now let's move on to the middle part. That is a 2 pi RH. And the radius is half this diameter, so that's 0.25. And the height is how long the cylinder is. I was just pointing out to my class that this textbook loves to give you a whole bunch of numbers, and then it hides a couple numbers in the question that you got to go looking for. Plus, now let's deal with this big cube here. It's a cube, so all 6 faces are the same, and they're all 2.5 by 2.5. But now I got to worry about the missing area of these 2 circles. So I'm going to subtract 2 pi r squareds. One more time to make sure I didn't goof it up. 4 rectangles, the 2 square ends, the rounded part of the cylinder, the squares that make up the big cube, and I minus those 2 circles here. Looks like we're ready to punch buttons. After careful button punching, we got 62.1 meters squared. Game over.